I want to speak English very fluently, but I don't want to join spoken classes. There is nothing wrong, my friend. You should not join if you feel not to join any spoken classes. Don't force yourself to join any spoken classes, okay? If someone is willing, if someone wants to have the experience of spoken classes, they are free. They should go and join and have the experience of spoken classes. But if you feel you don't want to go, don't go. Why? Because you can learn this language without joining any spoken classes. You know how? By practicing. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can learn this language without joining any spoken classes. See, when I started learning this language, before that I was thinking I couldn't be a fluent speaker, or it was not possible for me to learn this language without joining any spoken classes. But now I can speak this language. And you know how did I do it? Did I join any spoken classes? No. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't join any spoken classes. I just simply started watching a lot of videos. I just started reading a lot of books. Okay? So in your case also, no need to worry. I've heard many people, they say that I'm from Hindi medium. I don't know how to practice. I don't know from where to start. I don't know what to do. My friend, one thing is enough. You have got the thought to speak this language. That's enough. Now, little bit effort put from your side that, okay, search the way. You will start finding the way. Don't force yourself. Okay? See, if you force yourself, then in hurry you may join spoken classes. You may pay a lot of money over there. And finally, you will be disappointed. Then don't be so desperate. And who becomes so desperate? You know, the person who needs job, and they were not trying to learn this language when they were in their school, their college, but once they are going to try for job and they are hearing this thing that you can't get a job without knowing English, that time they are being so much desperate that I need to learn this language within 10 days, within 15 days, or maybe within 1 month, like that. Okay, so I would say that don't think that how much time it is going to take. Just think how you are going to practice or how much time you are going to give. Why are you very much worried about your result? See, when I started learning this language, I was also worried like you. I wasn't different from you, okay? But now I am, because I have learned so many things on the way that, okay, it is going to take time. No need to be in hurry that, okay, I have to learn this language within 10 days, 15 days, or in 1 month. My friend, it totally depends on your background. Or I mean, if you are English medium student and you have a lot of vocabulary, so you can see the result within a few days or within few months also. But I'm not saying you can be a fluent speaker within few days. See, without speaking, without reading, without listening, no one can become a fluent speaker. Okay? So, in your case, if you join any spoken classes, maybe over there you will be taught grammar portion. And I've seen many tutors, they are now teaching also how to communicate. That is so good, really. If you find such tutor, then join and learn how to, have the conversation and all. But if teachers are teaching only grammar, then I must say, don't join spoken classes. Just learn grammar by watching YouTube videos. And if you have a lot of time, then I can suggest you that how you can learn this language. I didn't mean that a lot of time. Just like if you are ready to give your 1 year or 2 year, then I'll definitely suggest you. There are a lot of applications, you can use them. But if you are desperate in that terms, I can tell you that go and join spoken classes. Maybe your teacher can, give you some solution, or you may become a fluent speaker within few days, within few months. But my friend, if you want to learn this language as a language, then be ready to give a lot of time. See what happened, as I told you, then I thought, okay, it is going to take a lot of money, and I didn't know how much time also. Okay, so I tried. I was searching here and there that is there any spoken classes, online spoken classes, but I didn't find. And then I started using app, I started talking to people. But before that, what was helping me? Before I started talking to people, I started reading books. And my friend, you won't believe, I started seeing a lot of improvement in my vocabulary, the way I speak. And now also, I give a lot of time on reading. Why? Because I believe if I read books, then my pronunciation can get better. And if I listen also, so in both condition, if you are watching any videos or listening, there are chances that your pronunciation can get better, or your English can improve. You may get vocabulary, not may, you must get vocabulary like that. And while reading also same thing happened. Actually recently I talked one person, and he was speaking quite well. Then I asked, for how long have you been practicing? That person answered me, I have been practicing English for few days only. I said, within few days, how could you improve your English that much, good? Like, how could you speak English so fluently? Then he told me first thing that I'm from English medium. Then I couldn't resonate with myself because I'm from Hindi medium. So I thought maybe for English medium, it might be happening. But back in day, I had talked many English medium students. They were not good at speaking English, okay? They were good at grammar, and their vocabulary was also strong. So in that terms, maybe they can do better than Hindi medium if they have good command over grammar and vocabulary. But mainly what matters? Speaking matters a lot. And our speaking, how can it get better? I believe that there are a lot of things we need to improve. But mainly what matters, we should try to read books, watch videos, and listen a lot. And finally, speak in practice. So do such thing, no matter whether you are from Hindi medium or English medium, it doesn't matter so much. What matters a lot ultimately? It matters that whether you are practicing or not, okay? So try your level best. You are also going to become a fluent speaker within few months, or maybe within few years. Sometime if you break the consistency, no problem, but if you do it frequently, it is going to affect you. You might not get fluency fast way. See, as 3 days I couldn't record my video, I didn't face camera. So when I came to record my video, I was thinking, can I speak this language so good way or not? Maybe I'm not speaking so well. So it happens in my case. I don't know about other people. So make sure that you are going to practice every single day. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, say, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.